Colorado man now arrested for the second time in the death of his wife is awaiting extradition from Arizona. Barry Morphew is accused of killing Suzanne Morphew, who is reported missing on Mother's Day in 2020 in Chaffee County. Her remains discovered in 2023, more than a year after the first case against Barry Morphew was dropped. Part of the reason for the dismissal involved issues with evidence. Your reporter in the mountains, Spencer Wilson, digging into the case as we head toward a retrial.
It's been almost 2 years since Suzanne Morphew's body was found, and now that her husband, Barry Morphew, has been arrested again, prosecutors have more clues to work with this time, since they have an autopsy.
The grand jury has indicted Barry Morphew on the single count of murder in the first degree.
District Attorney Ann Kelly re-sparking the efforts for justice for Suzanne Morphew, who disappeared Mother's Day in 2020 near Salida. Her husband, Barry Morphew, has already stood trial for her murder once before, but the case was dismissed after some serious mistakes from the prosecution. Now, we're back.
I feel pretty confident in the district attorney. Way more confident than I did before.
Barry's indictment is public, so we know some of the new evidence the prosecution has this time. First, because there was no evidence of significant animal or bug activity, investigators believe Suzanne's remains must have been moved at least once. The forensic anthropologist opined that based on these factors, it was unlikely Suzanne decomposed from a fresh body to a skeleton at this location. A lot of the focus in the previous trial focused around a tranquilizer. After Suzanne's autopsy, we now know the chemical compounds for that cocktail, called BAM, were found in her bones. All three of the individual chemicals that comprised BAM were present. Additionally, the metabolite for butorphanol was present, which also means they knew she was alive for a while when BAM entered her system, since her body had started to metabolize the drugs. DA Kelly telling reporters she can't go far into specifics yet.
I am looking forward to having our team present all of those facts in a court of law.
The last page of the report says, ultimately, the prescription records show that when Suzanne Morphew disappeared, only one private citizen living in the entire area of the state had access to BAM, Barry Morphew. In the high country, Spencer Wilson covering Colorado First.
Spencer lives in Summit County, wants to hear your story ideas for our mountain communities. Send your tip through cbscolorado.com. Call the tips line or just email him at yourreporter@cbs.com.